Good morning, children. Welcome back to Max Type 1 session. So, in yesterday's class, we have gone through introduction of rational numbers and exercise 9.1, first Roman. Okay, how to list out the other five numbers or whatever the numbers is giving like that. Okay, now in today's class, we are going to discuss exercise 9.1, second question. Okay. Children, before starting the class, once again I am telling you. So, I am not telling not to ask, but if you are not getting any proper mobile or like that. Children, I am sending each and every notes means CW to you. Why can't you write immediately? That means on that day, why can't you write? Before the examinations, you are calling me and asking me, sir, send for notes from straight from the starting onwards. And you know, children, the way you are asking to the teacher is also not good. Send me the first lesson notes. What is that? Children, learn some manners. Means I am not pointing out to you that you don't know manners. Because maybe you all forgot what is good, what is bad. It's not good. Because I have seen and even I have sent message. This is not the way of asking the teacher. Children, how much big we are or small, giving respect and taking respect is very good. That means we teachers will not ask anytime respect. Okay, you should know because teacher will teach you how to do the what is good, what is bad and everything. You should learn from ours. Okay, understood? See, not only here, if you go anywhere, the way you are talking, definitely they'll give you the respect. Okay, so I'm not telling not to send the message. Send. The way sending the message, it's looking like as a friend you're asking, send me the notes. What is that? Which notes I have to send? Either first chapter or second chapter, whatever it may be. Send me the notes. Or they're asking, send from right from the beginning. What, sir? What is this? This is not good. Okay, if you are update the notes, you will not get any pending works because before the examinations you are writing the notes and you are wasting the time. You are not knowing that. My problem, what I want to say is exactly you are completely wasting the time in writing the notes. If you are update the notes every day, then in the examination time you can practice more. But examination time before 2 days, 3 days, sir, send me the notes, sir, please, sir. What is this? This is not fair. Okay, so next time don't repeat at all. Say exercise 9.1, second Roman. First question I am explaining. You know that only I will do explanation and I will send you the notes to you. Okay. Here the first question is minus 3 by 5, minus 6 by 10, minus 9 by 15 and minus 12 by 20, so on. But what is the question? What to do? So that's why read the question first always. Write the 4 more rational numbers in each of the following pattern. Means according to the given pattern. According to the given pattern, you have to write how many? 4 more. He asked 4 more, no? 4 more. That means more 4 rational numbers by depending upon the question. Here if you clearly observe here, all the numerators means this all the rational numbers have negative symbol. That means the remaining 4 also should be in negative only. First thing if you observe here 3 by 5. 3 2s are how much? 6. Right? 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. That means 3 table. Next 3 5s are, is it clear? 3 2s are 6. Next if you write 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. That means 3 table. Denominator if you see 5 here, 5 1s, 5 2s, 5 3s, 5 4s. That means numerators all with 3 table and denominators 5 table. Minus. Okay. Now 3 1s, 3 2s, 3 3s, 3 4s. Next 3 5s 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 3, 3s are 3, 4s are 3, 5s, 3 6, 3 7s, 3 8s. Now denominators. 5 table. 5 ones, 5 tens, 5 twos, 5 threes, 5 fours, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 35, 40. So the next 4 rational numbers are these. Okay, is it clear, children? Next, that fourth question. Now I am going to tell you the fourth question in that. Okay, see the fourth question, that is minus 2 by 3, 2 by minus 3, 4 by minus 6, 6 by minus 9, so on. So like this the question is. Okay children, see the question here. Minus 2 by 3, 2 by minus 3, 4 by minus 6, 6 by minus 9. What you observe here? Here if you observe, the first rational number is minus 2 by 3. That means numerator is having a minus symbol. And whereas the others, that means they have in the denominator place. Okay. Now 2, 4, 6. Next number means here it is minus, that is denominator. Now here onwards minus 2 by minus 3, 4 by minus 6, 6 by minus 9. Now here 2, 4, 6. Next number will be what? 8, right? No? So 8. Next number 10. Next 12. Next 14. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay. Now we have to write a rational number. Minus 3, minus 6, minus 9. Next minus 12. Next minus 15. Next minus 18. Next minus 21. Okay, so like this the remaining 4 rational numbers you have to write. Next, coming to the third question. Okay, children, see that the third question is, give 4 rational numbers equivalent to, give 4 rational numbers equivalent to, the first question is minus 2 by 7. Yesterday we discussed in the class how to write the equivalent fractions. So minus 2 by 7. He asked how many equivalent fractions? 4. So minus 2 by 7 into 2 by 2 you write first. Next minus 2 by 7 into 3 by 3. Next minus 2 by 7 into 4 by 4. All will feel that 4 rational numbers he asked. Here you wrote 4, that means 4 finished. No, 1, 2, 3 only finished. So minus 2 by 7 into 5 by 5. Now minus 2 into 2, that means 2 2s are 4, that is minus 4 by 7 2s are 14. 2 3s are 6, that is minus 6. 7 3s are 21. Next 2 4s are 8, that is minus 8 by 7 4s are 28. 2 5s are 10, that is minus 10. 7 5s are 35. Okay, so like this you can write the 4 rational numbers, 4 equivalent rational numbers. Okay, next fourth question. The fourth question also I explained already. Draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. Here I am going to explain for you third question. What is the third question? That is minus 7 by 8. Minus 7 by 4. Minus 7 by 4. The third question is minus 7 by 4. First all of you take a scale, okay, and draw a straight line. Here minus 7 by 4. That means negative number. So do one thing. So start 0 from here, because negative numbers are there, means no positive numbers, only no negative numbers. So we have more space, we require more space for negative numbers. So start 0 here. If you want you can write here positive 1. Now here minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 4 by 4, minus 5 by 4, minus 6 by 4, minus 7 by 4. So this is the minus 7 by 4. So we have to indicate like this a rational number. Okay. Now coming to the fourth question, that is 7 by 8. Now if you observe the difference between minus 7 by 4 and 7 by 8, this is negative and this is positive. So we have many, that means 7 by 8 is positive. So start 0 from here and you can write here minus. So 1 by 8, next 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8. So 8 by 8 is nothing but 1. That means 0 to 1. So 7 by 8 lies between 0 to 1. So here 7 by 8. So you can mark 7 by 8 like that. Okay children? Is it clear? Here if you see the fifth question you can do it as a homework. Very easy. If not you tell me, I'll explain. Sixth question. Which of the following pairs represent the same rational number? Here the first question is minus 7 by 21 and 3 by 9 is asking this pair is the same rational number or not. How will you check the same rational number means? See here. Minus 7 by 21. Is there any chances of means getting cancellation into lowest terms? 7 ones, 7 threes. That means how much you are getting? Minus 1 by 3. Means when you are reducing this minus 7 by 21 into lowest form, you are getting minus 1 by 3. Now take 3 by 9. Take 3 by 9. 3 ones, 3 threes. So 1 by 3. Now the question is, what is asking? Whether the both are equal or not. What the question is asking? Whether the both are equal or not. If you see, you will see that yes, they are equal. No, they are not equal. Here minus symbol is there, here plus symbol. So much variation is there. So these both are not equal. Okay. That means minus 7 by 21 and 3 by 9 are not what? Same rational numbers you have to write. Next, coming to fifth question in that only. 8 by minus 5 and minus 24 by 15. 8 by minus 5 and minus 24 by 15. So 8 and minus 5. So this is also can be written as minus 8 by 5 as a standard form. And 8 and 5 will not go in any table. So we can leave that 8 by 5 like that. Now coming to 24. Minus 24 and 15. Minus 24 by 15. Okay. Now see any chance of cancellation. 3 8s are 24. 3 5s. So minus 8 by 5. Minus 8 by 5. That means what? Now these two are equal. That means 8 by minus 5 and minus 24 by 15 are both have same rational. Both are same rational numbers. Okay. Next. Coming to seventh question. Okay. Coming to seventh question. Seventh question is minus 5 by minus 9 and 5 by minus 9. Minus 5 by minus 9 and 5 by minus 9. Okay. See here, minus 5 by minus 9. So both minuses get cancelled and it remains 5 by 9. 5 by minus 9 you can write in standard form minus 5 by 9. But these both are equal. No, they are not same rational numbers because this is positive and this is negative. Okay. Is it clear, children? Next. Children, I am giving you 7th and 8th. Don't think that I am giving you more homework. The homework is hardly, it takes less than half an hour. Are you sure? Means you know that how much time you are taking. Hardly you are taking only half an hour, just 5 minutes extra. That if you not pay attention. If you pay attention, 30 minutes is more. Because all are easy problems I am giving you. Okay, so don't think that I am giving you more homework. The more you practice maths, the more you gain more knowledge. Next, 7th question. Rewrite the following rational numbers in simplest form. You know very easily. Just now I told you the model, cancellation. Okay, so take it that one as homework. Hardly it will take 3 minutes if you finish the homework. For 7th Roman. Next, 8th also you know. Fill in the boxes with the correct symbol of greater than, less than or equals to. Okay, is it clear? Shall I tell one some otherwise? You know. Once why can't you try? You already know this how to find out greater than or less than. The same 9th question also. Which is greater? Already you learned in decimals. Same model. Okay. Next. 10th question. Write the following rational numbers in ascending order. Actually this also no. But I'll tell you one sum. The first question is minus 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Here is asking ascending order. First of all, ascending order means you all know small to big. Yes? Ascending order means small number to big number. Just I am explaining. Now, the first thing we have to observe here, the denominators are same or not. Yes, all the denominators are same. But here, one more problem. What is that? Negative symbols. But you know, if 2 are negative, that means minus 5 and minus 6. So, the question they'll ask minus 5 and minus 6 which is greater means, you will tell obviously minus 6 is greater. Wrong. Negative numbers means, మనం first number line లో ఏం రాస్తామండి -5 రాస్తామా -6 రాస్తామా -5 సో అదే గ్రేటర్ అవుతుంది అర్థమైందా ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ సో -5 -6 బోత్ చూడండి ఇన్ నెంబర్ లైన్ 0 -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 అండ్ -6 నెంబర్ లైన్ లో అయితే -6 సో విచ్ ఇస్ కమింగ్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ -5 సో దట్ విల్ బి గ్రేటర్ ఓకే because both are minus మీకు ఇంకా ఈజీగా చెప్పాలంటే if both are negative which number is less that is greater okay now -3 -2 -1 so what we required here first small one but all are minus okay if all are minus means we have to select the big one -3 -3 by 5 is less than -2 by 5 less than -1 by 5. Luckily he gave the order only. That means -3, -2, -1. Among all these three, which is small ante meer ela rasestaru kada happy ga rasestaru. So appudu wrong avutadi. Wrong avutuda? Why wrong? Right. Wrong or right? Are you get confused? I'll tell you. Once again I'll tell you. Listen very carefully. -3, -2, -1. Three numbers are there. Among this, which is small? Ananko, you will tell -3 is small. Why? Because all three are negative. Which is big number? That is small. Mari here -3, -2, -1. So -3, -2, -1 annappudu -3 is greater number. Actually 3 greater. Can you symbol minus? All are having minus symbol. So which is greater? That will be small. So -3 by 5 correct only. అంటే మీరు అనుకుంటారు ఇదే మళ్ళీ సేమ్ ఆర్డర్ రాశారు కదా సార్ రాంగ్ రాశారు అనుకుంటారు. No. Sometimes he will test your knowledge. So -3 by 5. Next number -2, -1. Which is small? -2 only. Because -1, -2 this is big number. Next. Last -1 by 5. Is it clear? Okay children, so you can write ascending order minus 3 by 5 less than minus 2 by 5 less than minus 1 by 5. Okay, now take out your diary and note down your homework. Maths homework, exercise 9.1, second Roman, second one, third one, third Roman, second one, third one, next fourth Roman, first one and second one, fifth Roman full, and sixth Roman, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, and seventh Roman full, eighth full, ninth full, and 10th Roman, 2 and 3 sums. Okay, so hardly if you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That means hardly 25 or like that, because in that sub questions are there. So hardly 25 sums. How much time it will take, children? Okay, not exactly 25. How much time it will take? Just 30 minutes is exact. If you write going here and coming there and like that, it will take exactly 40 minutes. But half an actually max means 1 hour completely you have to practice. Complete for the day, along with the class, 1 more extra hour for maths. Then only you will improve your maths. Okay children, have a nice day.